everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine, and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over part 4, step 3 of the Shim Sham Shimmy, or the Revenge of the Shim Sham is what part 4 is called. And step 3, this is going to be a variation on the Tack Annie from the original Shim Sham. So if you haven't yet watched my videos where I break down the Shim Sham, go ahead and find those in my description box below. You can find a playlist titled Shim Sham Shimmy, and I have part 1, 2, and 3 already put on there, and I have part 4, steps 1 and 2. I would recommend going back and learning all of those if you haven't yet learned those, and then coming back to this video to learn part 4, step 3, or the Tack Annie. Because each subsequent part after part 1 builds on the main Shim Sham, or part 1 of the Shim Sham Shimmy. So I recommend learning the basic part first, and then learning the variations. So let's go ahead and get started here. And like I said, you can find that playlist in my description box below. So this one is part 4, step 3, Tack Annie, part of the Revenge of the Shim Sham. So we just finished the crossover part, and we finished stomp, stomp, right, left. Because it's prepping us to go into the Tack Annie. So we're going to use that stomp, stomp that we just did from the crossover. Stomp, stomp. We're going to brush step in with our right foot, and then stomp, brush step with our right, and then our left. Okay, so we just did the stomp, stomp, and then we're gonna go stomp, stomp, brush step in right, and then stomp, brush step left. And then from here, it's not really a step, it's more of a touch or a tap. From here, we're gonna do 2 drawbacks, left, right, and then stomp on the left. Okay, so that whole thing there is stomp, stomp, brush step, stomp, brush touch, drawbacks here, left, right, and then stomp, left. Okay, so let's give that another try. Starts on 8. Yeah, it's going to be and 8 with the 2 stomps. So here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 8, brush step. Stomp, brush step, draw back. Let's go ahead and try that again. Starts on and 8. 5, 6, 7, and 8, brush step. Stomp, brush step, draw back. 1, 2, stomp. Nicely done. And if ever I'm going too fast through the steps, just remember that you can slow the video down, rewind, and pause. And also, if you have any questions, let me know down in the comment section below. So once we finish our drawbacks and then the stomp, we're going to go back into it from the top 2 more times. So we finish with the stomp on the left, and then we're going to go stomp, stomp, right, left again. And then brush step, stomp, brush step, 2 drawback, and then we're going to repeat it 1 more time. That's what's nice about the Shim Sham Shimmy, is that it's so repetitive that you learn one section once, and then you just do it multiple times, and you already know the whole thing right there. So the Tack Annie is going to be done 3 total times, and it's going to start on and 8 with the stomp, stomp. So let's do that nice and slow. 3 total times. Stomp, stomp, brush step, drawback, drawback, stomp. And here we go. Starts on and 8. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Brush step, stomp, brush step, draw back. Again, stomp, stomp, brush step, draw back. Last one. Draw back. Good. Nicely done. Let's try it a little bit faster. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1. Draw back. All right, time to learn the break. So in the Revenge of the Shim Sham, the Tack Annie is the only part that has a break, whereas in the previous sections, The Shim Sham, the first part, also had a break. It does not in the Revenge of the Shim Sham. The only one that has a break is the Tack Annie. So the break, we just finished stomp on the left from the Tack Annie. The break, you're going to go stomp, stomp, brush, step, just like the rest of the Tack Annie started. Stomp, stomp, brush, step. And then you're going to do a stomp, brush, step on the left. And then a stomp, brush, step on the right. And it's actually a stomp, brush, tap or touch, because we're going to use that foot again. We're going to do a slight hold for a beat. And then you have stamp, 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 stamp. And that's 4 in a row, right, left, right, left. Okay? So the break again is stomp, stomp, brush, step, stomp, brush, step, stomp, brush, step, hold, stamp, 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 stamp. Let's go ahead and do it nice and slow here. So we have stomp, stomp, brush, step, stomp, brush, step, stomp, brush, tap, hold. Okay. Let's see. Let's try that a little bit faster. Starts on and 8, 5, 6, 7. Hold. And one more. Let's try that one more time. That was the right rhythm there. So here we go. Just the break. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold. Nicely done. All right. Now let's put the whole thing together. So Tack Annie into the break. Here we go. 3 times through with the Tack Annie and then the break. Starts on and 8. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1. Draw back. Again. Draw back. Again. Draw back. Break. Stamp. Nicely done. Good. Let's try that one more time and then we'll call it a day with this one. Here we go. Starts on and 8. 5, 6, 7. Draw back. Again. Last one. Stamps. Nicely done. Good. All right. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. And if you have a song suggestion or a step suggestion that you would like to see broken down in a video, let me know down in the comment section below, and I will try to get to them as soon as possible. All right, thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.